Every once in a while, a motocross bike doesn't just join the race, it redefines it. And in 2025, Kawasaki has dropped a bomb into the world of off-road racing. A weapon so refined, so ruthless, that it doesn't just chase victory, it expects it. This is the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX450, and it's more than a machine. It's a championship statement on two wheels. Right from the start, the 2025 KX450 looks different. Because it is. This year, Kawasaki took a full-scale ground-up approach to the KX formula. New engine, new frame, new electronics. No compromises. Let's talk power. The 449 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine is completely redesigned, with a new intake port layout, revised combustion chamber shape, and finger follower valve actuation borrowed straight from World Superbike tech. What does it mean? Sharper throttle response, higher RPM ceiling, and a smoother, stronger mid-to-top surge that pulls with authority lap after lap. Peak horsepower now pushes over 60 horses, but it's the delivery that's most impressive. Linear, manageable, and ferociously fast when you twist it wide open. And here's where things get truly interesting. For the first time ever, the 2025 KX450 comes with Kawasaki traction control, alongside 3 engine maps and switchable launch control, all accessible from a slick new bar-mounted mode selector. Plus, and here's the surprise, the KX now supports Rideology smartphone tuning. That's right, you can now adjust fuel and ignition mapping, review ride logs, and dial in your setup wirelessly from your phone between motos. It's like having a factory tech in your pit, and it's going to change the way privateers approach race day. But a monster motor means nothing if the chassis can't keep up. And the 2025 KX450 has that dialed too. The all-new perimeter aluminum frame is lighter, stiffer where it counts, and more forgiving where it matters. Combined with revised geometry and lower central mass, the bike feels quicker into corners, more stable through braking bumps, and easier to whip in the air. Add to that new triple clamps and a reworked rear linkage, and you get handling that's not just precise, it's telepathic. Suspension remains class-leading Showa components. A 49mm coil spring fork with updated internals and a balance-free rear shock, both tuned for better bottoming resistance and mid-stroke control. It's plush when you want it, stiff when you need it, and absolutely race-ready right out of the crate. Braking gets a subtle but welcome upgrade this year, with stronger calipers and a new front rotor that improves bite and modulation, and the new slimmer plastics and flatter seat make rider movement feel effortless. The 2025 KX450 feels narrower between the legs, more planted on corner exit, and more aggressive in all the right ways. Now let's talk looks. The iconic Kawasaki lime green still screams speed, but this year's graphics are embedded in the plastics with Duragloss injection tech, so no more peeling or fading. Every detail screams factory, from the stealth black rims to the minimalist bar pad to the aggressively tapered shrouds. This bike looks as fast as it rides. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Kawasaki KX450 isn't just a facelift. It's a full-scale performance reboot. More power, smarter electronics, sharper chassis, and a rider-first design that proves Kawasaki is in this fight for more than just podiums. They're here to lead the class. This isn't the same old KX. This is Kawasaki's green light to the future of motocross. And that's the full throttle story brought to you by Acer Rider, where every ride tells the truth and every machine is judged by how hard it hits the dirt.